Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really quick tutorial on how to find your autosaves for Sony Vegas and to save you from going through the whole process of trying to like recreate anything you've done after a crash that randomly happens. It happens to everyone. So the fastest way to do this, you want to go to Start. You can click here. You can go right into the search bar here and just look for Control Panel. It's the fastest way I do it. You want to look for the folder options, but right here it's File Explorer options, the exact same thing. Click on that, go right to View, and you want to make sure that the hidden files and folders, you don't have the Don't Show Hidden Files selected. You want to have the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. You want to make sure you select this. And once you're done, you got to press Apply. So the next step, you just want to go down and locate your users folder. So I just type it in down here so everyone can follow along. It's a lot easier to find. And what you want to do is you want to go to the profile you're currently using. So I'm using my only profile on this computer, so it's a lot easier to tell. So you go right into this, and you want to choose Appdata. Normally you wouldn't be able to see it. That's why normally if you're looking through this, you wouldn't see that. Now it's just barely there. So you want to go through here, go to local. Then you want to search for Sony. And a lot of people, if they go through Sony, they get the same thing as me, just get plugins. If it's not there, just go a little bit lower and then Vegas Pro. It's right here. Double click into that and just go to whatever one you're using currently. So the one I have right now is Vegas Pro 16. So this is one you want to go through. And then right here is everything you need. These are the autosaves. Yours might look a little different. Mine just never actually appear with the little logo on it. But yeah, so this is all just everything that has to do with your Sony Vegas. And all you have to do is go to the most recent one. So my most recent one was this morning or last night, whatever one I was using. All you do is really you just double click on it. It opens right up, and you're basically good to go. You don't have to worry about restarting or any of that nonsense there. So, anyways, yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. If the tutorial worked for you, please leave a like and comment down below so others are reassured, so they're not wasting their time with like an outdated method. But yeah. So if this helped, just leave a like. That's all I ask. Subscribe. Share this with whoever you need to. But yeah, anyways, have a good day, and hopefully this doesn't happen too often. But take care.